Here's Johnny. Alright guys, look, check this out. Because I'm celebrity chef now, I think I deserve to do some kind of reviews. So right now I'm going to review Russian soup called borscht and how we eat it traditionally in Russia. Now I'm not proficient enough yet to make the best of it, so this one is my grandma made. Check this out. Oh yes, baby, this is good. And another thing, we always eat borscht in Russia and Ukraine with salo, which is pig lard salted with pepper, and also with garlic bread and sour cream. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the ingredients. So inside here we have peppers, and this is turkey based. You can use pig or you can use cow. This one is turkey based. I prefer turkey, so we do it with the turkey. Alright, other things we have here is cabbage, carrots, onions, peppers, and potatoes. Salt, of course, and you can buy borscht spice if you like it the way I do it. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a taste, because I think I'm already salivating. Okay. Mamma mia, this is amazing. There's a certain way to eat it, like you eat when you eat sushi, there is a certain way to eat it. So when we eat this, you have to think of Mother Russia and Ukraine and perfect foods that it feeds you, but also you eat it with garlic like this. So you take a bite, and it's salty already, so then you take garlic. This is raw garlic. Chew a little bit off, and then you chase it with salted pig lard. After that, because of the pig lard's texture, you bite off a little bit of bread. Really good. Alright, I think it concludes it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. I will also cook. I'm getting ready, getting all the ingredients and recipe for traditional Russian chebureki, and it's gonna be a longer video, but this one is like in the middle, a review of Russian borscht and how we like to eat it here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, tell me what you think in the comments. I love you all. Peace out.